So here we go. Not long ago. So at the moment, hindi namin alam kung makakasakay kami. But we'll have to take our chances. Punta lang kami sa bahay ng sister ko. And hopefully things will be sorted out kung matutuloy kami. At least doon na kami mas malapit na sa airport. So let's see guys! Good luck to us! Kabayan po. Yay! Welcome to the Maldives. So, first stop natin, it's not Sri Lanka, but nandito tayo sa the Maldives. Andito na kami sa Maldives right now. We're going to stay here for 3 days. Hindi namin in-expect na mapunta kami sa Maldives. It was not in the plan, but we'll go ahead with it. Let's enjoy! This is our water taxi going to the island. So, ito na nga. This is the new airport. And this is our water taxi.
Here yan, tara yan!
Go. Yeah, right. We are here sa Goraido Island, here sa the Maldives. Hindi yung mukhang mukha siyang para siyang Pilipinas lang yung vibe niya. Parang nasa Mualboal yung town ng Cebu na sa gilid ng dagat. So we're excited to check this out. Tapos tignan nyo yung dagat, napakalinis. Sana ganito kalinis yung Cebu, no? Kung gusto nyo ganitong trip, check out, i-plan yung itinerary nyo papunta dito sa Maldives. And ginamit namin yung booking.com, or you can also use other websites para to check out your stay dito. So ngayon disembark lang kami para pumunta na sa hotel. We're here.
You're the sister of us? Yeah. Oh, hello. Nice meeting you. Hello.
Yung hotel na binook namin, you have to communicate with them para malaman niyo yung trip, tapos magkano yung charge, and then at the same time yung may-ari mismo nung hotel yung nakipag-communicate sa sister ko para to arrange the water taxi. Eto, this is the Goraido.
Yeah, always it's a season for them.
Okay. Wow.
Does it feel like a home? Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, this looks so cute.
I know.
Oh.
Let's have a seat. I will show you everything inside here.
Oh, may pa-welcome juice.
Pura. Pura. Yeah. Pura. Here. Oh. Juice. It's a juice for refreshing.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, can I borrow?
Oh wow. Alam mo, I'm so thirsty na sobrang sarap niya. Sobrang sarap.
Passport, please. Everything, right? Yeah, they So you have to scan.
So let's check the other room. So let's check the room.
Okay.
This is your room. And this is okay, not bad. Yes. Now we are here right now sa the Maldives. So akala namin first of all na mapunta kami ng Sri Lanka at saka whole bakasyon namin sa Sri Lanka kami. In-expect mo ba na bigla tayo mag-Maldives?
Not expected.
Oo. Nandito tayo sa Gurido Island, dito sa isa sa mga islands ng Maldives kasi maraming islands ang Maldives, di ba? So, ngayon may magtutour sa atin, hinihintay lang tayo. So, nakapang-get up na kami na pang-beach talaga, look at us. And yes, my sister's here. Siya yung nag-book na to. Yeah. Oh, nice. Decent siya, as in like chill lang. So, let's go. Pagod pa kami, guys. 2 hours ng tulog namin.
Ako wala akong tulog.
Sige, let's go. This is Hassan, isang Bangladeshi na 18 years na sa Maldives. He's one of the trusted members of Connaught by Thakuru Hotel in K. Guraido Island. In this episode, dinala niya kami sa Bikini Beach, which is dedicated to tourists. Dahil Muslim country ang Maldives, they have created this beach area for the visitors, especially for ladies who want to wear their bikinis. Isa itong man-made beach but created beautifully. Nakaharap ito sa 2 pang islands na magkalapit lang. Napalibutan din ito ng mga tanim para hindi agad kita sa labas for privacy. Maldivians are not allowed to swim in this part of the island. Sa bandang unahan, meron itong duyan na nasa dagat at may bent coconut na isa sa mga Instagrammable areas for tourists to take pictures. So kanina nandun tayo sa Bikini Beach which is for tourists yun na pinupuntahan lang talaga. Yung mga locals, kung sino lang gusto na locals na pumunta doon. Pero as much as possible, bawal daw ang locals.
300 US?
Now we walk towards here, dito naman, this is the Tundi Beach.
No,
now, this is the tip of the island of Guraido. And you can see here, there's a property right there sa beach, sa seawater na itself, sa yung mga floating cottages or cottages on the water. From there hanggang dito sa may kakahuyan, that's the property of Holiday Inn. So it's a resort, sa hotel resort property. Tapos yan, meron silang ano dito, hotel din dito. At saka tignan nyo yung sand, guys. Napakaganda, as in napakaganda. And you can see the different colors of blue. Look at yung stages of blue niya, hanggang sa deep blue color na doon. Pangalawang beach pa lang ito pinuntahan natin. We're going to have a tour around further sa island. Si Hassan, sasamahan tayo ni Hassan. So according sa Hassan, another information na binigay ni Hassan sa atin, this is the local beach. Yes, this is the local beach ngayon and katabi lang siya mismo ng Tundi, nandoon. Yan. Yung Tundi Beach, katapat niya yung Holiday Inn. Pero ito, ditong area na to, na side na to, itong arc na to ng beach, it's the local beach. Tapos, mukhang marami ng restaurants din dito. So, we can try one of their snacks. We'll have the tuna kotorushi and the chicken kotorushi.
Okay. Tuna kotorushi, like spicy or no spicy?
Yeah, I want to try your regular spicy.
Okay.
This is roti, right?
Yeah, this is a biskimia.
Biskimia?
This inside have egg and some carrot, like
So ito yung biski ba? Para siyang lumpiang Shanghai na medyo mas malaki. Rolled siya. Tapos yung naka-wrap. Pero ang laman niya, Hassan, what is it? Potato and?
No,
Carrots
cabbage,
and cabbage.
egg.
And egg. Egg.
And little
Spices.
spicy and pepper.
Pepper. Ito. Yeah. So i-try natin. Parang siyang samosa pero differently delicious. Gusto ko to. Okay to pang snacks.
chai.
3 chai.
3 chai.
Yes.
Masala
Chai.
or cardamom? Cardamom or masala?
Masala.
Masala.
Masala chai.
2 masala, 1
2 masala and
cardamom.
1 cardamom. Okay, thank
What do you
you.
call it?
Cardamom.
What's
One
that?
tuna
What's
kotorushi,
caramel?
one chicken
Cardamom.
kotorushi, 1
It's a
person
spice.
and 2 masala chai, 1 cardamom chai. Thank you. This is masala chai.
No.
This also masala chai.
Okay.
Cardamom.
Cardamom.
Yes.
Alright. Thank
Per
you.
head.
And that's coffee for Hassan.
Yes.
Same like
UAE chai.
Indian.
Indian chai. So this is the place where we're having snacks right now, Tundi Cafe. So pag dito kayo sa Guraido, you will also experience and come here, visit this place. Nasa tapat lang ng dagat. This is cardamom. And this is masala. Mas masarap ang masala.
Ako,
For you,
cardamom.
what do you want? Masala or cardamom? See, Hassan is with me. Mas masarap ang masala. Iba yung spiciness na binibigay niya. Yung masala itself na nilagay nila, it's really good. And I haven't tried this sa UAE na ganitong klaseng masala. Parang may masala siyang taste sa UAE pero hindi ganito ka-intense na you'll like it, really like it. Sharp yung taste ng masala.
Okay.
Yeah, this is it. Passion fruit mojito.
Passion fruit mojito.
Yes, can I take?
Okay. Very fresh. As in very fresh. Punong-puno ng passion fruit. Sarap. This is the chicken kotorushi. And similar lang yung itsura niya dito sa tuna kotorushi. But yung meat niya, it's tuna. And of course, you have this papad. It's this crispy snacks. So let's try the tuna. Tuna, sinabi ko spicy. Yung regular spiciness lang nila. You can taste the curry, the spices, yung noodles na nilagay nila. It's tasty. Lasang-lasa mo yung tuna. And this one is the chicken kotorushi. And this one's, let me see, it's spicy pa. Between this chicken at saka yung tuna if you are pescatarian, pero ito mas gusto ko tong chicken kotorushi. It tastes so much better. Best siya sa yung chicken meat with the noodles. It's best. Ito mas masarap, mas gusto ko to. And nag-request kami ng spicy, yung spiciness. It's not totally there yung spiciness, but it's good. Saktong-sakto lang yung lasa. May konting spice lang, hint lang, but hindi yung mapapa ang hang ka talaga. So this is just our first day dito sa Goraido, sa The Maldives. Dumating lang tayo kanina and continue natin tong tour natin bukas. So this ends our day 1. So dumating tayo dito kanina, so nag-check-in tayo sa hotels sa Conat by Takuru, and they have really been so hospitable at saka very accommodating. Maraming salamat sa kanila. At saka nag-partial tour tayo sa island dito sa Goraido, and we went to the Bikini Beach, which is an artificial beach na pang turista lang, ginawa siya pang turista lang talaga. And we also went to Tundi Beach na katapat lang nung Holiday Inn island na napakaganda as in. And then right now here sa the local beach na sa likod ko, ito yung beach, ang napakaganda. So the sun is setting, mawawala na kami ng ilaw, hindi kami nagdala ng ilaw. So ito na muna, this is our early dinner. Catch you up. So daghang salamat on behalf of Chef Mark, kami yung Wandering Kusina, and this is our The Maldives adventure. Ako si Chokoy on behalf of Chef Mark. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Daghang salamat. See you.